So good morning guys, and today we are going to discuss like how to create Docker image using Docker file. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
First, I'm going to create a virtual machine. I'll create a resource group. I'll take the resource group as Azure training. Next, thanks, and finally, it's to create. I'm going to create a virtual network. Create a virtual network. Azure training. VNet. Next. 10.10.0.16 Azure training subnet 10.10.1.0/24. So click on save. Click on next and finally review. So I'm going to create a virtual machine. Create Azure virtual machine. And the resource group name is Azure training. The virtual machine name is Linux machine. HTS availability zone 1 infrastructure. Image, I'm taking the red hat. Size to CPU 4GB and the password, I'll give the username is India. Password is India at the rate of 1234556. India at the rate of 1234556. So I'm going to add the port HTTPS. Next that is standard system. Next networking. Next management. Next monitoring. Disable. Next advanced. Next thanks and finally review and create. Yesterday, have you got any other voices while taking the session? Hello.
No, Sandeep.
No, Sandeep.
Now we are getting any voices? Any music or something like
Yes,
that?
yes.
Sorry?
Just now. Just now,
Yes.
Sandeep.
Yesterday, have you heard any other voices like that?
No, Sandeep.
Sometimes we heard some.
Only
Sometimes
call.
that is calls like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Previously, we won't get that things. Nowadays, we are getting. That's the reason I'm asking you. Ooh, I used to check with the software. Are simply attending the sessions or doing the practice or not?
Yeah, practicing. When we have time, we are practicing.
Satish, what
Sandeep.
about you?
Yeah. Practices. Daily way.
I think so. Now you get the clear picture about the DevOps and Docker, right?
Yes.
Yes, Sandeep.
So now I'll try to log in into the virtual machine. I'll go with the Linux machine. I'll just go ahead with IP. I'll go with the putty. Open. Login is India. Password is that of 1234556. Directly change settings. Appearance change. clear. Sudo su hyphen. Got it. So we need to update it, right? Yes or no? So first sudo su hyphen yum update hyphen y. Hello, can you hear me?
Listen.
Okay, just a moment. So it is updated. So clear, right? Now you have to install the few softwares, right? Hello, yum
Listen.
install
And
git unzip tar
start.
wget hyphen y.
Yeah.
Generally these are the basic things. I'm just installing. Okay, so here we have installed all the things. I'm going to install the Docker also. What is the command to install the Docker? Curl https get dot docker.com transitions. Guys, are able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sandeep.
So what is the command to check the Docker version?
Docker hyphen version.
Clear. And we can check the Docker hyphen version. So if you want to start it, what is the command? Docker hyphen version. And if you want to start it, system ctl start Docker, right? Yes or no? Any doubts here?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to have the Docker images. I don't have any Docker images, right? So generally, if you want to pull any Docker image, or if you have any default image, you can give like Docker pull and you can give the image name, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But I want to create one .NET application. That .NET application I want to make it as a Docker image, right? Install .NET in Linux. How to install the .NET? Simply you can go to the Google and search for the install .NET in Linux. Install .NET in Red Hat. So this you can check the version also, Red Hat 8.10, right?
Yes.
So I have installed the 8.10. So better you can give like this in case you have any issues. Okay. If you want to install 9, if you want to install in 8.10, okay. Got it?
Yes.
Then install it. Then install the runtime. Yes. And I'll share you the runtime. Install the runtime also. So what is the command to check the .NET version? Clear?
.NET -F.
.NET ---- version. You want to get the .NET version. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
No. Now, I'm going to create a .NET application, right? .NET
Application.
application. You know that, right? .NET new SLN -o hello world, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Chain, or you can give it like test also is fine. Chain direct to the test. .NET new MVC -n
Hello world.
hello world.web, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
.NET new SLN. You can see here you don't have any directories or something like that. Do you have any directories? No, right? Yes or
No.
no?
Yes.
.NET new SLN -o -o is not the mod output. I'm going to create test. Got it? Chain
Yes.
direct to the test. Clear the screen. I'm in the test right now. Now I'm going to create a MVC. .NET new MVC -n.
Hello
You know
world.
all these things, right?
Yes.
Hello world.web. You created the project here. Hello world.web. Hello world.web is a project. Any doubts here? Any questions?
No, sir.
So you have to create a Docker file here. What you have to create?
Docker.
So what is the command? Touch docker file dot txt. Listen carefully, okay? Touch docker file dot
Yes.
txt. So here in this docker file, vi docker file dot txt is there, right? In this you have to give the
Fine.
docker file. So generally you can get it in the Google, okay? Create a docker file for .NET application. Okay, are you able to follow me?
Listen.
Yes, sir.
Here you can have the docker file. It's very important. They will ask you like from is nothing but a base image. What is it?
Yes.
You can see that SDK. So we are also using the .NET 8 only. Let me take it in new version. Duplicate session. India at date of 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can check that sudo su hyphen .NET hyphen version. So which .NET you are taking? 8.0. Are you able to follow me?
Listen.
In this, here also the base image from is nothing but base image. What is it?
Basic.
And working directory app. So what are the things we have? We are copying here. So generally, you know that, right? When you're doing the CI/CD pipeline, we are done restore, build, publish, and publish artifacts, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
remember what you have added the task
Yes.
side, right? This is
Yes, sir.
nothing but a restore. This is nothing but a build. Got it? It is going to create an image, and finally it is going to copy. Got it?
Yes.
And finally it is going to create an image. Go through this from working directory. You're going to copy it. You're going to build image from working directory. Okay. Escape. Colon. WQ. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Hello.
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
generally this is a Docker file. I'll just give this Docker file. Yeah, you have the entry point from where you're going to start it. Okay. This is a Docker file. Docker file. So you can give like list. You can see the two things: Docker file.txt and hello world.word. Right? Yes or no? Docker build -t. Are you able to follow me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For example, you have the hub.docker.com. For example, I'm just taking here. For example, I want to push this file to here. Where I want to push this. For example, I'll give like test. Are you able to follow me? And
Yes, sir.
-f docker file dot. Where you want to push, you can give like this. You have like docker file dot txt. Is it clear? Directly also you can give without giving the txt also. At that time, what you have to do, you need not to give the txt here. Is it clear? Vi
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
docker file dot txt, you know that I is equal to insert. Okay, put the code, then escape colon w. You know all these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have some issue in the docker file. I'll do one thing. We have a docker file. Got it. It's a working directory. Yeah, hello world and all these things. Okay. Are you able to follow me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So vi docker file dot txt. I'm deleting everything. Directly also you can give the docker file generally. Escape. I'll do one thing. I'll delete it. Okay. rm-rf. I'll just delete this. Okay. Are you able to follow me? I'll just copy this. I'll just paste here. You can see here. Okay. From is nothing but a base image. What is it? From is nothing but a base image. I'll take the base image as this one. What is the base image? This is a base image. Guys, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because this is the Microsoft.NET 8.0, right? Actually, what I required 8, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Previously, it is 6.0, right? I want 8.0. You can see here from is not required. From what is the base image here? 8.0, right?
Yes.
Working directory. Expose is nothing but if you want to open any ports, okay? Copy the hello world.web.project file. We are going to restore it, okay? We are build it. We are running the image, and finally we are going to create an image. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
So here I'm going to directly create vi docker file. I'll just copy this everything. Any questions?
No, sir.
Escape colon w2. What I did here, behalf of docker file, what I did here, behalf of txt, what I did here, I just given like vi docker file. It's clear.
Yes.
Docker build hyphen, you can give like docker file dot txt. Don't require txt. That's it. Now I'll copy this. I'll create a Docker image. Clear the screen. ls. So these are nothing but a task actually. Mm. We are getting issue at the task 3. What is it? Okay. Clear. VI Docker file. These are nothing but a task. Okay. -I. Dot W. Now we are getting issue at the task 7. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, Sandeep.
VI Docker file. Where they are getting issue? Run. We require the run. I'll do one thing. Why it's getting error? I'll do one thing. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I given the new code for you. Just use this. Escape colon WQ. So clear. Why it is getting error here? Fail to compute catch you fail calculate down. Checksum. VA Docker file. So the Revit project file does not exist. So if you get any issues like this, okay, you can search in the Google.
Sir, it is better to check in ChatGPT. If you are getting any errors, we are checking in ChatGPT.
That is fine. Just a moment. Well, we need to get this. Actually, this is a from, okay. 3 point, everything is fine here. Mhm. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
Sandeep.
done a small mistake, okay. Hello.
Yes.
rm-rf delete this Docker file, okay. Got it? Change directly to hello world.web. Now it's clear.
Yes. Yes.
I'm doing from outside, right? Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing from outside, right?
Yeah.
So let's do one thing. Vi Docker file. I'll do one thing. First, I'll try with this code only. Default code is there right here. I'll try with this one first. If won't work, we'll use our customized code. Okay, guys, are able to follow me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sandeep.
The picture. Now Docker build. Now it's work out. They are not able to find the cs dot project file. That is the error. Now we can see that it is working.
Yes.
Yes, Sandeep.
Don't use this custom code. I have given the code. I have taken the code from the Google. Okay. So what is the error we have done here? You have to give change directly to the
Hello world.
hello world dot web. Now it's clear. I
Yes.
Yes,
have
Sandeep.
created Docker file outside. Actually, inside you have to create it. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, Sandeep.
Now you can see here Docker images. It is created one image. It's clear. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sandeep.
This is nothing but image. If you want to log in, Docker login. Generally, you can go with this code. You can go here. Just go here. Just give your details here. I'm not getting why you're not getting the code. I didn't get it. Okay, so just here paste. Now you got it right. Why this error you got it? I'm doing outside the hello world web. You have to do it inside the hello world.web. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, sir.
Now we can see the Docker hub hub.docker.com. Now I can push here. How you can push here? You have the 3 repositories, right?
Yes.
You can see here latest one. Clear. You can give Docker images, Docker login, Docker push, and push like this. Now you can see here, you got the one more repository. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
For example, if you want to push this into the Azure container registry, you can create a container registry. Create a container registry and the resource group Azure training. And the container registry name DSF test. You can give any name. East US. You can give standard or basic. I just go with the basic, like networking, encryption, tags, and finally create. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
How to push? How to push Docker image to Azure container registry. Now we have created a registry here. Guys, are able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
We have created the DSF test container registry. And here you can go with the hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here you can go with repositories. What is it? Not repositories. Okay. In the repository, you can see that you don't have any repositories here, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You can go with an access keys, admin user, and this is the username, and this is the password. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Copy this login server, Docker login, and I can give the server name. And then you have to give the enter the username, enter the password, right? So if you want to push to the Docker Hub directly, you can give the login. Okay. If you want to push to the container registry, Docker login, and you have to give the registry name. Is clear?
Yes.
You can give here clear, and it is asking the username, and here you can see the username, and you can give the password, and here you can see the password. I'll just copy this password. I'll just go here and enter. Any questions? Any questions here?
No, sir.
Now you want to push it Docker images. You have the image right here.
Yes.
Docker ps -a. You don't have any containers here, right?
Yes.
Docker run hyphen dit image id. You already know this, right? What it is? Why are you using this command? Why are you using this command?
It is a image, Docker image.
No, we are creating the container here. Docker ps -a, right? As I know,
Yes.
you can see that it is created a container. Docker ps -a. It is created a
Container.
container. Where I want to push now Docker commit. and this is the container ID where I want to push. I want to push here. Okay, and you can give some name. You can give hello world. Or if you want to give any version, you can give version. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
You can give like this. Then Docker images, it is going to create an image. Docker push. You get a list of the image. You can just push it. You can see Docker images. You got the image, right? Docker push, and here you can push it. You can see here, you got it here. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the hello world, you got the version 1. If you want to create a version 2, if you do any updates and you can create a container, then Docker commit, and what is the container ID? This is the container ID, and you can give the version 2. Got it?
Yes.
Docker images, Docker push, DSF test hello world, version 2. Now you can see that. Satish, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you can create a Docker image using the Docker file. You can see the from is the base image. The working directory, you can build it, restore, build, run, and we are going to publish. Got it?
Yes.
Any questions here?
No, sir.